Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we will talk about data collection. So in machine learning and data science, the most important thing is data collection. Before anything, you need data to do whatever you want to do. So data is the most important thing, and the more important is how you collect. So there are lots of techniques and tools to collect, but before going toward tools and techniques, we have to learn the basic foundations. So let's start it. So in the world of data science, data collection is the cornerstone of the analytics effort. As saying goes, garbage in and garbage out. The quality of insights directly is from the quality of data collected. So the more your data is has quality, the more you get better answer. The more poor your data, the more likely to get a better answer. So it is very important to get a quality data. So whether you are building a machine learning models or performing stats analysis or developing a system, your success begins with gathering accurate and reliable data. And as always, most of data scientists said that the data are very poor in when from wherever they are extracting. So the 80% of the data scientist time consumed by the data cleaning and processing. So whatever data you will get a very messy and unlabeled data, and your job is to clean it and label it, so your data will perform better in the model. Yeah, then data can come from a variety of sources. Yeah, so there are lots of sources like API, database, website, web pages, files like CSV, sensor, and log IDs. And there are lots of websites where you can get the data, but you have to also make sure that there are also illegal website, the big websites where they are not allowed to collect data without their consent. So always make sure that to take consent before taking any data, especially in government websites like GDPR and CCPA. So these are the ethical consideration for data. So so if so in later, if you want to, if you want data, you can get from APIs like the stock data. You can also get a weather and the stock data in a real time. Then you can get a data from database with the help of SQL and NoSQLs. And then web page, all of course, web pages offer valuable unstructured data from blogs, e-commerce platforms, and more. Then then CSV and JSON, just like we have, we are downloading right now, like Kaggle and the similar platforms like. So you can directly download the data and perform whatever you want. There are also cloud-based data repositories like Databricks, one of them. Then we have a sensor and logs provide real-time input. So these are the sources of data. But before that, I already said, please consider and take consents before taking data from a website like GDPR and CCPA. So ethical data collection is very crucial. Always review it website terms and condition. Yeah, it's very important to view terms and condition before going ahead, because always we ignore terms and condition and went to download data, and later we you know later we are facing problem. So that's why always make sure you have read all the terms and conditions. Yeah, then we have a variety of tools to support data collection. Okay, so this is a mandatory that you needed data to perform anything as a data scientist or data analysis, whatever you your role is. So for API you can use REST or GraphQL for structure remote data access. You can use web scraping tools like Beautiful so scrap your Selenium for HTML parsing. Yeah, so see, lots of data is available on web pages, and you have to know a basic HTML to get data from there. So yeah, so you have to learn basic HTML. You can't say no. I will not learn, and I want web scraping. So there are tools, but they are paid. But as a data scientist, you have to know the basics, not the advanced, but you know the basics to get a data from web pages. So yeah, then we have webhooks for event-based data like payment notification. Then we have manual methods of form service to crowdsource. You know, uh, we have seen like the many companies surveying online form, review feedback, and they are getting data from there. So these are the manual way. Then you have a file handling with libraries such as pandas, Spring Boot. Yeah, so later if you get data, then you have to use libraries like SQLite 3, SQL Alchemy, and PayMango are widely used to interact and both relational and NoSQL systems. So yeah, so today we have learned too many things. What is the tools of data collection? What should we consider before taking any data from us? Websites like GDPR and CCPA, especially European websites, are very strict. So yeah, and the sources of getting data, as currently we are using files and CSV, but later on we also have to use databases and web pages especially. So yeah, so this is all about, and thanks for watching till yet. I will see you in the next video.